back.
We're back.
Well, we made it back up here today and we're going to do a little more work trying to get ready for sheetrock. It's getting closer and closer. What we have left to do is this wall right here. All this needs to be furred out 1 inch to make that a 2x4 door opening. So, and so does this area. We've got it stripped already, so we're gonna add 1 inch to that and add 1 inch to this, but that sheetrock has to come off and this has to come off to do that. That's the goal today, is to get that done. We're on air.
Okay.
Take 2. Take 1. Just take 1.
Yeah, take 1.
Got a good filter in it.
It's still good.
Yep.
It's been a while since we changed it, but we haven't been
done
here
any
the last
dusty stuff, have we?
No.
These are the little bitty short ones because of the slider.
Yeah, so we need to keep them separate.
I thought once about gluing this sheetrock on because these were so short. I don't remember if I did or not.
Oh.
I hope I didn't, because it won't come off very pretty.
No. It won't.
Here's the moment of truth.
Oh, you might have. You need that bar.
Oh, there it got it. It's not blue, it's just a tight fit.
Okay.
All right. There should be on that one. That's going to work.
Okay. Good.
This piece of sheetrock's going to have 1 inch shaved off of it.
Yeah, it will.
That's never fun on sheetrock.
No, it isn't.
This in a whirl. Over here. That's gonna work. Split it.
Uh-oh.
There's a knot right there. Made it do that.
Looking good.
Let's get in there.
Yeah.
Get in there. What do we have here? Not enough.
Not enough. Well.
Okay, so this was a 12-foot board we'd had for 5 or 6 years.
Wow.
Had it under some
Yeah.
steel, so it had some weather on it, but it's still a good board.
Yeah.
At least we're able to use it up. Just under 4 inches there. Let me see here. I need 5 inches. 3, 4, and 5 inches.
3, 4, and 5 inches. Okay.
And then, what's this one? Get
Do
up
you
there.
need your bucket?
7 1/4. 3, 4, 5, 7 1/4. This one. We're getting it, Lise.
We are. That's looking good.
I have to talk to that demo crew.
Somebody didn't do their job.
Glues and tacks.
Yes. It's probably why the demo crew failed. Too much.
They didn't fail. They quit too soon. I'm kind of partial to the demo crew.
Are you?
Yeah. She's kind of cute.
Oh, there's another one at the top.
Well, forget what I just said. I've had it with that demo crew. Well, I got some cleanup to do. Before I can do that.
You should probably get rid of that demo crew. Not ever use them again.
No, I'm gonna keep using them until I get it right.
What you do?
Huh?
That's what you're gonna do.
Yeah. Coaching is always better.
That header was not even, I don't know what it was being held in there by.
One staple right there. And 2 over here.
Better.
Yeah. It's curved really bad, isn't it?
It is. Really bad.
Just add another screw or 2, I guess. Just eyeball that when I put it up there.
Left a little gap at the bottom.
I have more room than that.
That was
It's gonna work.
like it.
Oh, made it a little too long.
Oh.
1/4 inch. Yep. It'll work out pretty good though. I'm gonna cut off a little.
Okay.
I believe it's gonna work out.
Okay.
Okay, we got it all burred out. I'm gonna try to get some sheetrock put back up. Thank you, Spanky.
Anything for you.
Yeah. Whatever.
My Clementine, Darla. See the mess I put up with every day? Day and night, non-stop. Never ends. You look up the word mess in the dictionary, it says Lisa. 'Cause you're a mess. I think you ask for it most of the time. Right?
I didn't ask for anything. I'm just trying to hang a little sheetrock. Minding my own business. That's what I do.
I don't think you're that innocent.
Just looked like an innocent face.
No. Looks like you're up to something, Faith.
I forgot what I was doing. I got to. People probably pretty glad they don't have to look at my ugly mug when I'm working like this. Then I remembered that this week I was called a mean mugger by a lady. She said I mean mugged her.
But it was an ugly mug.
No. It wasn't a mean mug either. It just happens to be my ugly mug. She was just wishing I was mean mugging her. Because she was mean mugging me. But I didn't care. I'm just not a mean mugger, Lisa, on purpose. Not in my nature. Oh well. She felt better about it. Thinking I was, so. She got some good out of it. Just put that back down. It's got to be cut down, doesn't it?
Hey, yeah.
Go. Get a little looser, which is good because it was too tight. Now I need the little screws, don't I?
Yeah. You want it?
That should hold it.
Work.
Okay, we got our wall furred out 1 inch. This one stayed the same. We got a nailer back in here. This is out 1 inch. So we used up a lot of scrap there, but we needed to. It was going to go to waste if we didn't. Got that put back on. So these doors will take a 2x4 inch door jamb now, or a 4-inch door jamb, 2x4 wall. And that's what we wanted. Make it match this. So, kind of a different little area here with that cornered wall. And we're going to put wood up here, I think, just like we did in there. That will continue on this area right up here eventually. So it's ready for sheetrock, other than still have that to do. Anyway, closet.
Yep.
Are you about ready to call it a day?
I'm ready.
Okay, I am too. We're gonna go home and
Little something we needed to do.
yeah,
So,
we've got half a dozen little things that just got to clean up. So we may show you some of these others as we do them, or just add them with something else, because we've got a lot of cleanup to do. Also, we're gonna take care of the popcorn ceiling next, and there's a lot of it.
yeah.
So we want to get everything out of here and where it don't make a mess on everything.
Yeah,
And it is a messy job.
it is really messy.
It's not hard, it's just messy.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we appreciate y'all very much, and we'll see you when we see you.
See you soon. Thanks for watching.